अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द जीके वर्ल्ड। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के बारे में। A measuring instrument is a device to measure a physical quantity। ऐसे डिवाइसेस जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मेजर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट कहलाते हैं। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। इससे पहले आपसे छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which device is used to measure the length? Answer is ruler. Question number 2, which device is used to measure the pressure? Answer is barometer. Question number 3, which device is used to measure the spectrum analysis? Answer is spectroscope. Question number 4, which device is used to measure the temperature? Answer is thermometer. Question number 5, which device is used to measure the blood pressure? Answer is sphygmomanometer. Question number 6, which device is used to measure the degree of humidity? Answer is hygrometer. Question number 7, which device is used to measure the radioactivity? Answer is Geiger counter. Question number 8, which device is used to measure the high temperature? Answer is pyrometer. Question number 9, which device is used to measure the low temperature? Answer is cryometer. Question number 10, which device is used to measure the rainfall? Answer is rain gauge. Question number 10, which device is used to measure the earthquake reading? Answer is seismograph. Question number 12, which device is used to measure the electric current? Answer is ammeter. Question number 13, which device is used to measure the altitude? Answer is altimeter. Question number 14, which device is used to measure the sensitivity of an individual to pain? Answer is algesimeter. Question number 14, which device is used to improvement the hearing power? Answer is audiometer. Question number 15, which device is used to measure the quantity of heat? Answer is calorimeter. Question number 17, which device is used to measure the depth of ocean? Answer is fathometer. Question number 18, which device is used to measurement and detection of light? Answer is photoelectric cell. Question number 19, which device is used to measure the salinity of water? Answer is salinometer. Question number 20, which device is used to measuring the length of an object? Answer is rule meter. Question number 21, which device is used to measure the earthquake? Answer is Richter scale. आज के लिए बस इतना ही काफ़ी है। मिलते हैं एक नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।